Today I'm going to be changing the diverter valve because my old one is failing. It looks like it's just going to be a bolt right here, and a hose, and that's where mine is located because I have a front mount. So as you can see, it's just going to be a bolt here, and then the vacuum line. So it's gonna be pretty easy, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and change it. I'll update you guys when I take it out. Alright boys, here's the old one and here's the one I'm gonna be installing. It had like some goo on it. I think it's a sealant. If you look at it, yeah, I don't know if I should clean that up or not, but I probably should. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up. And I'll be installing this one. I heard this one held pretty fine, and we'll test drive it, I guess, tomorrow or tonight. So yeah, give you guys an update again after I clean this up. Alright boys, I got it semi-clean. It's kind of gouged up, but we'll see if it works. See, there's like gouges right there, but hopefully it'll seal it off. Yeah, so here's my gasket. Should go on like that. This should go under. And yeah, we'll see if everything works. So I have it installed. Found out that this thing had rips in it. So I temporarily put Teflon tape. Got this tightened up. Got that tightened up. Got these bolts tightened up. And yeah, it should hold. Already started the car. I'll probably test drive it tomorrow. Hopefully it's good. I started already. I mean, it didn't sound bad, so yeah, hopefully this thing holds. Yep, we'll see. Check out my trunk, guys. Finally got it painted it myself. Here's the G8. Man, you can hear this thing misfiring. Alright boys, time for the test drive, and time to get Dunkin' Donuts and Taco Bell. Holy shit, we got AF correction, boost, and air fuel ratio. Maybe it's just me. That's still fucking doing it. Well, that sucks.
Alright,